Hey buddy, how are you? I tell you what, you gotta drop the knife if I want to talk to you, okay? Can you drop the knife for me? What's your name? Hey, stay back. Stay back. It's correct. Come on out of here. Stay back. I'm not shooting you. Drop the knife for me. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Chamber, shot fire, shot fire. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop the knife.
Hey, I got none. I got none.
Alright, come on out here.
Stay back.
We're gonna dress you back.
I'm not shooting you. Drop the knife for me. Drop the knife.
You do it for black people all the
Drop
time.
the knife.
Do you not? Do you not? Do you not? Do you not? Do you not?
Shot fire, shot fire.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Stop.
You got me dying within the chest.
Chamber, start me EMS now.
I'm in my vehicle waiting for backup.
7-6, where did you go in here?
All the way to the left. 1043, he has slit his wrist. Alright, just whenever you get out.
Chamber 1043. 43. 10-4.
Hey, buddy, how are you? Tell you what, you gotta drop the knife. I want to talk to you, okay? I'm done talking. Drop the knife for me. What's your name? Hey, stay back.
556, I'm still here if you need me out there. Trent, come on out here.
That's what we're trying to do. Okay, just stand back.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. Drop the knife for me. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Do you not? Do you not? Do you not? Do you not?
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the knife.
Yeah.
Chambers, start me.
Chambers, start me way back now. Copy.
Hey, I need.
Yup.
Chambers, what's your location? It's gonna be Deep Harbor, State. Chambers, I need EMS now. They're being dispatched.
Hold on. That's it. Lift up his arm.
There's EMS in the route.
Got another.